Welcome. In this session, I'll be showing you how to submit a complaint through the GMIS system. It's a fairly straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to do. So, first things first, you must log into the GMIS customer portal. You can do this by signing in with either your Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you're going to look at the menu options at the top. You'll see a section labeled Licensing. Click the down arrow beside that and then go ahead and click on Complaints. Now, when the Complaints page opens, you'll notice it takes you straight to a dashboard. This is where you'll be able to see a list of any complaints you've already submitted in the past. To start a new complaint, you'll want to click on the Submit a Complaint button. Once the form opens, take your time to fill it out carefully with all the necessary information. This includes a clear description of the complaint, the type of complaint you're making, the name of the entity involved, the date and time the incident occurred, and of course the premises or location where the issue happened. If you have any supporting documents, for example photos or written statements, you should go ahead and attach those right there in the form. Before you submit, I strongly recommend that you take a moment to double-check all the information. Make sure everything is accurate and clearly explained. Once you're confident, go ahead and submit the complaint, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need help at any point, feel free to reach out to our support team.